Hi friends, this is Miss Lynn again. For today, I'm going to explain to you the answers in your unit test 2. You can use this unit test, all the answers, to review for your final test. Okay, so on your screen, you will see the Google form, okay, your unit test, okay. Now, it covers tables and line graphs and also time. So let's start with number 1, tables and line graphs. So the tables shows the number of pens and pencils Auntie May sold at a bookshop. Pen was sold $2 and each of the pencils sold $1. So we will use this table to answer question number 1 to 7. Let us answer number 1. On which day did she sell 15 more pencils than pens? So analyze the table. When you analyze it and then look at the values for pencils and pens and then try to look which one will give us the difference of 15. So in this case, Thursday is the definite day wherein we can get the difference of 15. Why? Pencils 45 on Thursday sold, then pens sold on Thursday was 30. So 45 minus 30, the answer is 15. So that means that's on Thursday. Next, number 2. Refer to the table in how much money did she collect altogether from the sale of the pens and pencils from Monday to Friday. So going back to the table, add first all the number of pens sold, multiply it by $2. Okay, I will show it to you. Wait. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so add all the number of pens. You will get here 124. So is 124. And then multiply it by $2 because one pen costs $2. Then 248. So then 185 pencils total or the sum. Multiply it by $1 equals $185. So how much money did she collect? So we add $248 plus $185. We get $433. That is the answer for number 2. Okay, let's answer again. Next, for number 3. Refer to the table number 1. How many pencils did she sell on Thursday? Very simple. We just look at the table. The answer is 45. Number 4. How many pens she sold from Monday to Friday? So pens sold. You add all of them. You get 124. Next. Number 5. Refer to the table in number 1. Which of the writing tools did she sell most? When you add pens and pencils, so pens you get 124, pencils you get 185. So the answer is pencils or pencil. Number 6. Okay, pencils. Number 6. Refer to the figure number 1, which day she sold the least number of pencils. So in that case, look at only the table and you will find the answer very easily. Very easy. Okay, so the answer for that is Tuesday. Next, 7. Refer to the table in number 1, which day she sold the most number of pens. So that is on Thursday. Okay, next, the following line graph shows the number of cars sold monthly from January to June, an automobile center. Study the graph and answer question number 8 until 15. Which month has the most number of cars sold? So the month that has the most number of cars sold is in April. Look at the highest points. Okay, the highest point in the line graph is April, 45. Next, answer is April. What about 9? We, we have the highest, which month has the least number of cars sold. So look at the point, the lowest point, and that is on May because it's got only 20. Okay, next, number 10. Refer to the line graph in number 8. How many numbers of cars sold in June? So look at June. This one here, the point. Then you get 35. 35 cars. Next, 11. Refer to the line graph. How many cars sold in March? So look at March. And then that one, 25 cars. Next, number 12. Refer to the line graph in number 8. What is the total number of cars sold from January to June? So you add all of them, 30, 40 plus 40 plus 25 plus 45 plus 20 plus 35. And the answer will become, okay, 185. That is on number 12. Okay, so the answer is 185 cars. Refer to the figure in number 8. The automobile center earned $525 for each car sold. How much did it earn in the first 2 months? So you just add the first 2 months. The first 2 months, January and February. January 30, then 40, and then each car being sold, he earned $525. What are we going to do? 525 multiplied by 70 cars, month, January and February. Next, so the answer will become $36,750. Refer to the figure now. How many cars was sold in February? Just look at February. Very simple. The fourth answer is 40. Next, refer to the line graph number 8. What is the difference between the greatest and the lowest? The greatest, 45, minus the lowest, 20. We got 25. Okay, that is 25. Next. So, number 16. For number 16, identify the time. 24:40, 12-hour clock will become 12:40. AM or PM? That would be AM. Because you will see here 0040, 24:40. That means morning. Next, 17. What is 8:30 p.m. in 24-hour clock? Plus 12, that would give you 20:30. Next, 18. When he went to bed at night as shown on the clock, what time he went to bed is a 12-hour clock. So 10:37 in 12-hour clock will be 10:37. Then 10:37 p.m. because at night. Refer to the figure in number 18. What time he went to bed using 24-hour clock. So you just convert it. Plus 12, so it will become 22:37. Next, 20. What tool or object that we use to tell time? Of course. Next, 21. Look at the picture, identify the time in 12-hour clock. Choose the correct answer. Okay. So the answer here for number 21 is 11:55 p.m. Next, look at the picture, identify the time in 24-hour clock. So 5 o'clock, 500, 500s plus 1700s that would give you, plus 1200s that would give you 1700s. Okay, next 23. So, so this is the first part of our unit test. And later I will record a video again and for the second part, which is for word problem.